Klinefelter syndrome. In this, we see the history of the syndrome, introduction, cytogenetics, clinical features, and the treatment. History. It is named after Dr. Harry Klinefelter. In 1942, he was the first to describe a group of the symptoms found in 9 men who had enlarged breast, parts facial and the body hair, small testes, and infertility to produce sperms. In 1959, these men with Klinefelter syndrome were discovered to have an extra sex chromosome instead of normal male genotype. Introduction. This is the sex chromosomal trisomy that is contain 47 chromosome which has extra X chromosome. Approximately in 500 to 1000 male are Klinefelter scientists also found out not all the male could have the symptoms. Klinefelter syndrome is a genetic disorder that affects the male. It is the set of the symptom that results from 2X chromosome. The Klinefelter syndrome isn't inherited but rather occurs only as a result of random genetic error. This is due to mainly non-disjunction of the maternal or paternal chromosome. Cytogenetics. Karyotype is 47XX6Y. Karyotype is important because it asked for MCQ or for Viva also. So, karyotype of Klinefelter syndrome is 47XXY. In 60% of the patient, the additional X chromosome from non-disjunction of maternal X chromosome, while in 40% patient, it is due to non-disjunction of X and the Y chromosome during spermatogenesis. Clinical features of the Klinefelter syndrome. Patient is tall, XXY male have weaker muscle and reduced strength, may have less muscle control and coordination than other boys of their age. During puberty age, traits become more evident because these boys do not produce as much testosterone as other boys. They have less muscular body, less facial body hairs, and broader hips. They may show development of the breast tissue. They have weaker bones and low energy level than the others. By adulthood, XXY males look similar to the males without condition, although they are often taller. They have long legs and poorly developed secondary sexual characters. They have normal intelligence. Verbal IQ is low, about 10% of the XXY male have gynecomastia. They have microorchidism, hence they are infertile. Spermatogenesis is absent. The hormonal profile of this patient reveals low testosterone and higher FSH and LH level. XXY males are also likely than other males to have certain health problems like autoimmune diseases, breast cancer, venous thromboembolism, and osteoporosis. Diagnosis of this patient done by chromosomal analysis is used to confirm diagnosis which look at the number of the cells. Treatment therapy is used to increase the strength, promotes muscular development, improve mood, growth of the body hair, and increase energy. Surgical removal of the breast, it prevents risk of the breast cancer. Also, testosterone therapy may be given in this patient. Thank you.